VegHeadz alert! We're having fun in the summer sun with today's recipes. With these snap peas. In a texture-crazy salad with strawberries. But the most exciting part? That's right, it's time for my Brain of the Day! Quinoa. The Inca name for mother of all grains, packed with protein and all 9 essential amino acids. But we're not gonna boil it. Oh no, we're gonna soak it. Strain it, keep them damp, and in a day or two, little sprouts. Yeah, I know it looks kind of the same, but the taste, my VegHead friends, ooh, the taste. Yeah, you know what this means. It's time to make some dressing. Champagne Vinaigrette, when the salad is the special occasion. Shake it, my VegHead friends, really shake it. Burn some calories. I'm done. VegHeads know salads are all about balance, texture, and flavor. Sweet strawberries, cooling mint. So many flavors in this salad, we just want a little bit of dressing. In Italian, we say the dressing is complimento, is a compliment to the salad, not steal the show. Final touch, creamy cheese. This is black peppery Boursin, the crazy popular French cheese from Gournay.